Hello, my name is Prieto. Today I will discuss the two different content management systems and two options organizations have with managing and administering them. Now let's get started. We'll start off with the overview. We'll first define what a content management system is. Next we will describe what a commercial off-the-shelf CMS is and its features. We will next discuss what an open source CMS is and describe its features. Our next discussion will focus on CMS management, and we will conclude with a summary of the information covered. So what is a content management system? The definition of a CMS is an application, more likely web-based, that provides capabilities for multiple users with different permission levels to manage all or a section of content, data, or information of a website project or intranet application. The main purpose of a CMS relating to the web is to provide the capability for multiple users with different permission levels to manage a website or a section of the content. A good CMS will have features that assign user roles and privileges for authors, contributors, editors, publishers, and an administrator. A CMS is always under development. As with any website, a CMS will have to be monitored and updated periodically. So let's now start with the commercial off-the-shelf CMS is. Normally COTS systems feature the latest and most current software package available. One of the primary strengths of COTS is commercial vendor availability. There's always someone you can call when you need help. COTS is referred to as out-of-the-box solution. The products are often called this, however. Despite the label, rarely if ever will they meet your needs to start. COTS have a shorter development cycle for new systems by eliminating the need to develop components and are readily available. Acquisition costs and support costs are in general lower for COTS products than for other products with similar functionality, due to the large production volume. Let's move on to open source CMS. There are virtually unlimited customization possibilities, allowing for a solution that can meet all your business or educational requirements while maintaining full functionality. There are few limitations as far as future expansion and customization, significantly reducing your risk in choosing a platform to build upon. Future needs are hard to predict. Your financial resources can be applied towards crafting the best solution possible, as opposed to having to allocate a significant portion of your budget upfront just to acquire the base product. Drupal, Joomla, and WordPress are some of the most popular open source CMS solutions available. Now let's discuss COTS CMS management. One of the primary strengths of COTS is commercial vendor availability. Someone is always available when you need help, and it's part of the agreement when you purchase a licensed COTS CMS. Another feature of a commercial CMS system is the vendor has control over the entire environment and most modules that are created for it. This often creates a more user-friendly and secure end product. Since commercial CMS systems are not open source, the community at large does not have access to the source code. As such, possible hacker exploits are much less likely. Lower cost alternative COTS systems exist, which contain some of the higher qualities of higher end CMS systems. One such system is the Expression Engine 2. Now let's discuss some options on how to manage an open source CMS. Just like a COTS, a vendor is available to open source CMS, albeit with different levels of support. The vendor has control of the entire environment. These open source CMS packages do have modules, aka plugins or widgets, that can be installed to add new functionality that a client may need. There are a wide range of available products, such as Drupal, that are enterprise ready and have a long track record of excellent management. Users have virtually unlimited customization possibilities, allowing for a solution that can meet all of your business and education requirements while maintaining full functionality. Let's discuss some of the takeaways for both systems. First, COTS CMS have lower support costs, faster technology refresh cycle, leverage commercial investment, open system architectures, and are more flexible. Open source CMS systems have a wide range of customization options, a variety of enterprise-ready systems, are most cost-effective, and are not tied to a single for-profit company. Here are the references that was used as research for this presentation. And here's a summary of what was discussed. We defined CMS and how it works. We defined commercial off-the-shelf CMS and its features. We defined open source CMS and its features. We discussed ways to manage and administer the different CMS systems. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.